How many what percent of people like it? 70%. Right? Movie we showed to 10 people, out of that 80 people like them. 80%. Then we take a next group of people. First movie A we showed to 10 people, out of that 4 people like it. 40%. And the second group is shown the B movie, out of 90, 45. So which movie is liked by more? A movie or B? B. Which movie is liked by the most? B. But in maths, if you see, this is total 67 out of 100, that is 67%. This is, now which one is more? Which is liked by more? A. यहाँ पे देखने में लग रहा है ना कि 70-40 कम जा रहा है या 80-50 ज्यादा जा रहा है. This is where the data science comes in picture. You have to interpret the data. Data is there, you know the percentage, but if you don't know the data, this analyzing capabilities, you won't be able to give the right results. Immediately when I show you this, so you will say कि with the first result also this is more like, and this is all second also this is liked by more. So this must be the good movie or is liked by most of the people. But actual, this is where the maths comes. See, अब आप कह रहे थे ना कि डेली लाइफ में कैसे यूज करते हैं. डेली लाइफ में खाली ऐसा नहीं होता कि दो डेटा होंगे. जब आप किसी कंपनी